The most important thing to remember when you're organising your kitchen, it's less about the aesthetics and it's more about being motivated and enjoying to cook. It's less about having the perfect spice rack and it's more about knowing what you have, using what you have and creating less waste. So what I like to do is once I've made sure I've let go of everything that I know I'm going to use, I like to keep the spices in a small confined space like this recycled box. Then I can put them high in the shelf and I can take them out to use them with my cooking or low in the cupboard, wherever it is, and quickly be able to put it back. And remember, it's less about the aesthetics and more about how your kitchen feels, that it motivates you, it sparks joy, and it's a space you enjoy being in.